right, Dan, what do you say? We got a few stickers here to go put on the splitter. Which ones do we want to put on there? Let's see. We got plenty of them. K&L firewood. We're gonna put K&L on. Sure. The York Woods, not to be confused with York Firewood. Firewood on the Hill. We'll take that one, put that on, and these are all beautiful YouTube channels. And Allen Family Firewood. Everybody knows Phil and Karen, so those are the ones we'll put on. We have more here, but we're gonna wait rather than overload you with the firewood stickers. We're just gonna stick these ones on so you can, I don't know, so we'll have a remembrance of them every time we're splitting wood. See our friend. All right, Dan. K&L firewood. Where's that one gonna go? Right there? Okay. Let's wipe this off here. We're gonna put it on. Take your gloves off. Okay. You get to put it on, buddy. You get to put mics on. Okay. Here you go. Put it on. There you go, huh? All right. And next one. York Woods. We want to stick that. We'll put that right in here. Put that one right there. All right. There you go, huh? Now, firewood on the hill. We'll put it right there. Let's wipe this off. Open this up. There you go, Dan. There you go, huh? Good. And Allen Family Firewood. Frankly, I think they deserve to go someplace special. How about down here? Down here in the pivot. And put down there. Right down there, look. No. Right in here. Let's put them on the pivot because they're such a pivotal, mind-blowing YouTube channel. Here we go, Danny. Oops. Oh well. It's right on the edge. You did a good job getting it right there on the edge. Okay. There are a couple bubbles in there. We'll figure that out. Alright, so what do we got on here? Let's take a look at our inventory of who we have on our splitter axis. We have Firewood on the Hill YouTube channel, K&L. Mike, I think we met him at, was that Boonville we met him at? I think it was. I think it was. Anyway, York Woods. We have Camps Corners, that's Garrett, a local guy here. We also have Everything Elliott and Allen Family Firewood. We have Mountaintop Outdoors, which we're gonna have to replace that at TC's Outdoors. Oh, Brad, we're gonna need a new sticker from you right there, okay? Because it's getting pretty worn. And ours is the one, ours is the one that's really worn off. We have, hold on for a second. All right, we got Adirondack Woodsman's, and we have Ken's Cut. Look, Ken Cut. Ron at Delmarva Maintenance Services. Log Cabin Firewood. Now, we didn't put that on there. Jack put that on there. He came by. We normally like to have a little presentation. So Jack, you're gonna have to put another one on. Wolcott Family Works, our good friends Will Wolcott. And the first one we had on here was Ohio Wood Burner. Let's go around the other side. Dude Ranch DIY. We have a new Dude Ranch DIY sticker. It's a little bit bigger than that one. And we have a special presentation coming up for Dude Ranch DIY. We have Firewood at the Furnace. And Danny, who's this? Who's this? Shibe, huh? And what do you say?
Woo!
That's right. And let's go around the other side. And of course, we have a special spot here in remembrance of Chuck. Debbie lets you know we have a special, you got a special spot in our heart. That keeps it right at eye level. So when you and Chuck put that on there, that means a lot. So we appreciate you. Hopefully we'll get to see you again sometime soon, Debbie, okay? We have Outdoors with Larry and Robin, Hogs Logs, and Woodruff Woods. By the way, Hogs Logs you can catch on Instagram. Woodruff Woods. We have Jay from Premier Iowa Tree Service. Oh, there's the one, Fellowship the Furnace, and WD-30. Now over here we have 3 in the same channel. Hardworking man, and women make it happen. TC's Outdoors, looks like we got the new one there, and D's Homestead. So thank you all. Look up their YouTube channels. They're dynamite people, great channels, and we're very proud to be able to call them friends.